Okay, I've got my measuring tape and I've got my knife, but I can't. Handyman!
You'll just mud over this, I guess.
Hello all. This is the first awesome episode of the Front Room. This is my buddy Rob. You can wave or...
Hello everybody.
We're putting up drywall on the ceiling. We'll see how far we get, and let's have some fun.
Move that out just a little bit for me.
The wall might not be square, so don't. Perfect. I'm right in the middle of the box. Okay.
You are?
Use this room again.
Do you want to hold yours and just look back? Can't really see what
like you're doing it wrong, or you should get a professional to do that for you, or something like that.
I can do that.
Like as of right now, it's too good.
Do I need to pick it up and turn it so you can visualize it better or no?
No, you're good. Screw two dimensions. We wing it. Hey, thanks, Rob. Really appreciate it, man. Take it easy. Okay, I've got my measuring tape and I've got my knife, but I can't. Found my glasses. The last little sliver. Woo. Oh. The ceiling is done. Next. Aw, man, it's hard to see. Okay. We'll cut to the morning. And of course, the morning after, it's still overcast. But I can at least show you guys all the work that I did last night. You guys saw me do the ceiling, and then saw me do these walls, and you guys saw me do that one. And I did all these ones over here. And then half of this one. So, what is left is this wall. And then half of this wall. The real question is, which side do I want to do first? This one does not, or the top part of this one doesn't require any cutting, so. Whoa, whoa! Oh, fun fact. So, oh man, battery's low again. All right, fun fact. So, what I've noticed and what I kind of picked up on is if you cut the pieces of drywall in a specific way so that both pieces land on a single stud, that way everything doesn't like get all wiggly and stuff. Sorry, all the drywall doesn't get wiggly inside the wall itself. It like stays put around a seam, which is super awesome, which I didn't really quite figure out until like halfway through the living room. But now that I've got it more figured out, which it's actually pretty cool. Also, I've also seen that these drywall pieces actually have like a little like notch in them. I don't know if you can see that, but the notch is kind of like this, and then the other half of the piece of drywall is like this. So they literally like fit on top of each other to get a nice tight seam around the middle. Again, something I didn't realize until like I'm almost done drywalling. So the next place that I drywall, I am going to be a freaking boss. Classic handyman fashion. In classic I'm so frustrated. Okay, this is the back section of the wall that's going to have the Murphy bed. And this little section right here is all I have left. This one little section right here. I've got 2 more boards to put up here, and that is it. I ran out of screws. I literally 2 boards away and I ran out of screws. I need to get more. Wait. I might have some more. Wait. Never mind. I've got some. They're a little bit longer than the other ones I had, but a drywall screw is a drywall screw. Done. Focus. Thank you. Last turn. Skibidi-woo. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for enduring the whole battle of me doing all the drywall and stuff. It actually looks really good. I'm like super stoked. So, stay tuned. There will be more adventures from the handyman, especially in the front room. Ah, yes!
Next time on the Adventures of Handyman.